Hi, my name is Jonas Follese and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Blueye Robotics. Today we're going to demonstrate how you can use the Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headset together with the Blueye X3 and try to give you an impression of what it's like to do underwater operations using mixed reality. So we start by putting on the Apple Vision Pro headset. Inside the headset, you're greeted with an app menu similar to what you're used to from, say, an iPhone or an iPad. And the Blueye app is available in the App Store, also for the Vision Pro headset. So we're going to go to Compatible Apps and select the Blueye app. And we see that we can connect to the Blueye X3. So I'm basically just looking at the user interface elements and using simple hand gestures like pinching to select and start the application. Since this is a mixed reality headset, I can also interact with the physical world. So the next thing we'll do is we'll bring the X3 outside and launch it. So in front of me now, I've configured a virtual control center where I have 3 screens. In the center, I see a big screen with the drone video stream. To the right, I have a map with a positioning system showing where the drone is on the seabed. And to the left, I've configured a screen with the multi-beam sonar images. Looking at this as a recording in 2D doesn't by no means give you the same impression that you get from wearing the headset. But basically from here standing on the quay, it's like looking at 3 gigantic screens floating in front of me, giving me great overview from the drone, on a map, and from the multi-beam while inspecting this sunken car. So in this demo, we try to give you an impression of what it's like using the Apple Vision Pro together with the Blueye X3 to perform underwater inspections in mixed reality. It's of course hard to really convey the user experience of using a headset like the Vision Pro in a 2D video. But everything that we show today is possible to do with commercially available hardware and software. The Apple Vision Pro is available in the United States, and we were using just the standard Blueye Observer app and the Blueye app to operate the drone. Thank you very much for watching.